New sea ice forming above leaves behind brine that is so extremely salty it sinks rapidly. As it descends, the seawater around it freezes instantly and forms a sheath of ice, a brinicle, that grows downwards towards the sea floor. Winter is reaching down from the cold world above. As it touches the sea floor, it kills whatever living thing it contacts by encasing it in a tomb of ice. Even in the relative warmth of the water, the lethal cold of winter threatens life on the seafloor. Another, more constant attack rises from below. Pressure in the depths keeps water liquid even though its temperature is far from freezing. Currents bring up this colder water and it turns to ice, covering everything that can't move away from it. And then the ice, being lighter than water, begins to float, lifting away anything attached. Even some of the faster-moving animals are caught. So the ice cleanses the seafloor and strews the ceiling above with remnants of life from below.